welcome back to another Budgie Mars video. Today we're going to be on a slideshow. Budgie Zipline by me. Let's go. Come on. Budgie. This is like Budgie. Budgie is back and is going to go on a zip line. It was another beautiful day at the village. Everyone was happy, even Budgie. Hey Budgie, I heard there's a zip line opening. I know that. Little Lopez, let's practice so that way we don't get scared. Okay, let's do it. And they practice not a small zip line from the treehouse to the holder. And now from HQ, which is in the jungle, to the treehouse. Now let's go to the ghost zip line. The ghost zip line. That's the most dangerous zip line in the world. Oh, it will be fun. I don't think Little Lopez said Budgie. Oh yes, and you're coming, Budgie. A sap. Watch out, a Grim Reaper ho. Watch out. Watch out. Circular saws. Oh no, a crusher down. No, where Budgie will make it smack. Oh no, it's over. Goodbye, clans. Boing, it stopped working. We have a chance. Watch out, Little Lopez. Here comes a rock and it's going to smash your wheel. Crackle, no, my wheel is broken. Now you get an issue and place you are going to fall into the lava pit. Well, this isn't good. Smack. Ow, ow. Boom. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. If you please enjoy, like and subscribe and share. Ring that bell for notifications so you don't miss further content. I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Bye.